widely used on the land, aviation, and the space. The only few applications for these turbines on the land, it's majorly for the power generation. We see on the mechanical drive, we see on the oil and gas, and when we go in the aviation, widely used in the commercial aircrafts as well as the military aircrafts, and space we see the ship launching. Now, if you notice this way, this is the compressor section of the turbine, and this is the combustion section. So when we talk about the airfoils, so 3D products, what we talk about, these are the airfoils which contribute to the compression of the engine, and it plays a very vital and important role in delivering a very calculated air in the combustion area. So air comes in from here, the fuel is fueled and the fire is there, and this is where the combustion happens in the engine. And when the combustion happens, massive energy is produced, and we can't store energy, it has to be converted. And the conversion goes on the land by touching a generator, you get this electricity out. Mechanical drive, you attach a pump which pulls out the oil in the middle of the sea, and in the aviation, thrust is used to fly the aircrafts. When we talk about this, it's a zero error, right? We can't expect any error in these components while the flight is in motion or a turbine is running, which is generating the electricity. Something snaps off, the power goes off, and we have seen the video what could happen. A catastrophic situation can be seen. In this matter, when we see this compressor, it's like multi-stage compressor, and this compressor is stage 1, 2, 3. Say example, a 15-stage compressor, and all these are different to each other. And when we have seen a shop floor of Azad in the video, just imagine that a part manufactured in such shop floor, whether it's in India or it's China or wherever these parts are produced, you require such kind of shop floor where the parts manufactured go straight in the engine assembly. So something has enabled that, and that enabling what has happened is the approvals we hold. The approvals comes by doing a qualification. So these qualifications takes a very long, stringent, qualification which is conducted by the customer or the OEMs who buys these parts from us, and it takes months and months to qualify one single part. Such single parts are in thousands in one engine, and such engines, whether it's land or wherever these engines are used, this goes model by model, part by part, OEM by OEM. It took us 15 years to cover the land-based turbines to get the qualifications. There is no ready-made technology where we can just buy the technology when you have money, you buy the technology, put the raw material, take the finished parts out. It is not a very generic industry which we all commonly see in automobile or any other industry where we just need money and we need some good engineering skills, we need a good networking where you can start the business. But in this case, it's very hard to get to the customers where on the land-based turbines, the three major OEMs, Mitsubishi, GE and Siemens, who control the land-based turbine market worldwide. 70% of the market is worldwide, is held by them. And these companies are not small, and these products are not easy, where we see that all these parts are very important for the human life, right? So it's not just that you have money, you can start producing these parts. It's the capability first, and the ability and the consistency. Once you cross these three, and this comes with man, machine, tool, process, and methods. When you talk about a three-dimensional part, this is not some standard forging or some kind of parts which are utilized in the automobile industry or wherever the industries are. So this is known as highly engineered part, a high technology part, for these kind of purposes what you have seen. So there is no risk taken irrespective of what the price is. So first of all, you have to get qualified in all these 5 axes, then comes the cost. Okay, how much? And how much is compared with China, Europe, Japan, America? They are the companies, they are the countries who have developed this part with some technology which they have themselves searched and same did we. We never, there's no ready-made technology. I can go to China or Europe or Japan and see,